And what kind of vlog would it be if I did not give you a fit check? Today, it is every day in a lounge kind of trying to be fashion type moment. It is officially December 1st. I'm feeling manic and unhinged. I have just been in the worst mood because of work. And then it is December, but it is 80 degrees here in LA. Now I am fighting with my printer because I need to print my ticket so I can go get my COVID test. I did a test with my healthcare provider about like 2 months ago, and then I thought, you know what, it's about time to do it again. Not trying to like go every single week because those are free tests for people who need them. I've turned her on, turned her off. We're about to reset her, Jesus Christ. So I've got some water here, and I've also got an iced coffee, second iced coffee of the day. And again, it's already like 3 p.m. so I don't want to have too much of that. Update. All it took was restarting my computer, turning that thing on and off, and boom, we've got our paperwork. Today's vibe is frontrunners because I don't feel like looking at anyone today. I'm so sorry for the bad light, but if you cannot tell, it is like 80 degrees here in LA. It is scorching. Yeah, this is my view right now. I've got my phone. I'm listening to my favorite podcast right now, The Bitch Bible by Jackie Schimmel. You know what could be fun? What if we talked about what I would be doing if I had started Vlogmas last year around this time? Where would I be right now, December? I would have probably been in New York City right now doing some type of movie screening, movie premiere. I love going to New York City when it's for work. I could never see myself living there. I'm too much of an LA iced matcha. I live by the beach, but I never go to the beach type vibe. I mean, like, I just love the proximity I have to the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, although I will give it to the Real Housewives of New York City. Those are some bad bitches right there. Like, when she took off her leg and threw it, oh my god. Hi guys, so we're back home and I found this on the doorstep from Burst Skincare. Burst actually sent me this as a gift, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Let's just cut the sides of the box to make it easier to do this, but I have not looked at what's inside, so we're gonna do this together. Ah, look at all these little cards. And in here are all of the goodies. This is the First Daily Dissolve Cleansing Balm. Now, I absolutely love this stuff. This is actually a refill that I asked them for. Next thing we got is the Versed Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. This one came in the Winter Chill set. It was a nice little set from Versed. Another refill I asked for. This I have not tried before. It is the Versed Keep It Supple Body Oil. This is supposed to be kind of like a replacement for moisturizer. This is another baby I have been dying to try out. It is their Wash It Out Gel Cleanser. It's going to be a great cleanser to use after you use the oil-based one. And then the last little bit in our box is this Versed and Clarity Purifying Mask, a charcoal mask. I want to give a huge thanks to Versed and the team at Versed for sending me these goodies. Much later, I just had dinner. I made a delicious salad with chicken dumplings. Granted, I didn't make it. I microwaved and like tossed the salad together, but you know what I mean. Now I'm getting ready to go to the gym. It is my favorite day of the week. It is upper body day. For the gym fit, we are wearing a Lululemon puffer jacket that I've had for years from Calvin Klein. So I'm just gonna get some matcha to get a little bit of energy, not too much because I don't want to be up all night. And then we have to come home and I have to start editing this vlog. It is currently about 5:30 p.m. but look how dark it is right now in LA. Like, that is atrocious. That gives me like zero motivation to do anything, but you know what? We're gonna power through. We're about to do the first skincare routine of Vlogmas. So I'm going to start off with the Versed Daily Dissolve Cleansing Balm. I'm going to try this one that I have not used from them yet, the Wash It Out Gel Cleanser, and then do this mask. We are showered, fresh and clean, and guess what? We have a new robe, and I am prepping the mask. This is the Versed Fine Clarity Purifying Mask. So it says to put it on dry skin, so I just let my skin air dry. I put some hair oil in, hence looking like a very dapper penguin right now. Okay, mask has evenly been applied. Just gonna put whatever excess I have on my neck. It feels very smooth, which I like. Just gonna leave this mask on, and I am probably gonna start editing this vlog because it's just getting pretty late. It is almost 9 p.m. so we have got a lot to get through, and I've still got to get my work done, get some emails and stuff set up. And so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I just washed off the mask and honestly my skin feels so soft, you guys. We're gonna go in with the last bits of my nighttime skincare routine. I'm gonna start off with the Summer Friday Soft Reset AHA Exfoliating Solution. Then to balance it out, because it is a chemical exfoliant, I'm gonna use the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Oil. And then finally, this is a new pickup, the Clinique Even Better Clinical Radical Dark Spot Corrector. We are done with our skincare, we are glowing, we are dewy, we are feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Honestly, you guys, this December 1st started off so rough. I was just not on the right foot. I was not feeling 100% my best. A lot of work was getting to me, but as the day went on, I'm just so happy that things picked up. And so I am so excited to be on this journey and for you to be joining me for my first ever Vlogmas. Hopefully it is the first of many, with many more exciting things to come. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.